being a hair restoration doctor with many years with the certification of Diplomat of American Board of Hair Restoration, I deal with many different types of cases every day, a patient's age, type of the caliber of the hair, the pattern of hair loss, and particularly the race. So we are an Asian country and we multi-race population here, meaning to say I do hair restoration for Chinese, for the Malays, for the Indians, and also other races. So today is a typical Indian patient here, and we look at him. He has a hairline. Look at him how he's lost his hair. So what will you classify this as? This is Novo 3 male pattern baldness, however, but still there's loss of density all over, and it's already going to Novo 6 male pattern baldness. So it's lost density and then completely bald around both the temporal angles. So what he wants to do today is a very conservative treatment only, fill up density over the completely lost area, that's called the bald patch, and then there will be density over this area, bearing in mind the age of the patient. Patient is 32 years old, so we have to be very careful because we do not, we know number one, he will still go into progressive hair loss, so we have to be very careful and advise him of maintenance regime after this hair restoration. So a lot of my patients, I have to tell them a lot about the maintenance, but then what I've realized over the years of my experience, it's easier for me to explain to them and they understand perfectly well because I think they do enough research and with the internet knowledge. So patients are more aware of two things. Number one, after doing the hair restoration, number one, they see progressive results. Number two, they may also see progressive hair loss over the area that we did not transplant. So these two things are the basic thing that in hair restoration. I try to educate my patients and whoever is seeing these videos as much as I can so that everybody is suffering from hair loss do understand what I'm trying to say, what I'm trying to do. And this is my passion, my love in hair restoration that I keep on repeating and also gain a lot of knowledge day by day. Even though with the pandemic, we have a lot of group chats in our society that we update with all the latest things going on. Even though these 2 years have passed by with the pandemic, but many new things have developed in the clinic here. So which I have it in the clinic here for the benefit of my patients and also so that I become proud when I see my results. So thank you. I will keep you all updated again with all the latest things that is happening. So yeah, thanks for now.